ya Edo ya fe. Ma swan no. Ni ma ve ta de o ebe na ya tu Edo. O avana o we no. O ta no. Eni na gbera. We ka mu wa we ma do uhu na tu Edo. Uhu na tu Edo ni ma ire ba na ya ta na. The other day, thank you all for watching and thank you for coming. Yes, we dealt with general greetings, ordinary greetings. Hello, welcome, bye-bye, good morning, and so forth. Okay, I remember I told you that we were going to come with our Edo lineage greetings. Lineage greetings. Lineage greetings are special greetings. Special. It's not the one we throw away. And it's not the one we can do without. It is something we have to learn and we have to use. The lineage greetings. Uku na twebedo. Uku na twebedo. Ukpewi no kwa no. Ami obiedo na uku no twe. Ami obiedo na kinokere. Uku na twe odi ema egbe no makere. Egbe no makere odi ema unie no anikere. Edo ya edo sopa dado we unie no kere. Unie no kere ana mi egbe no kere. Ami o aneme egbe, ami o aneme unie. Ibi edo ya fe wa igba okoto. Wa idame he emi na ama ina. N'ugwa ya tu ukwu n'okeke we. Ukwu ya fe no redo ni ma emiebo ona ha robi ye ne. Oka bobungbi. Maga ifyo la dia wa mi no we. De we ma no we u ne ra we. U ne ye we de no ukwu ni matwe. Begbema bunyurima dunie no we kere baba. Dunie no ki iye nya wetama wa unda pe mi no kwa no unie ni manado ayen oku ni manado ayen de o ten makin unda tu oku na mana batu ku opa o ten akin e sagion pa e akin ona batu ku opa ai ri egbe ai lo bi ekegbe wa ho Alovieko bano batu kwa awae no wedo. Awae no. Every makiweji ma yo mono na batu kwa Funda o ten makin. Remega webe radio anyone me na ya kian yo he. Ni ya zo he na do mi we ari yo ten ai pa wo ten re. Ake mi anya kwe na yo radio yo me gbe. Otun wegbe gban ebe no otun eje ayin here do wa hon. Okay, today we come to Edo lineage greeting. What do we mean by Edo lineage greeting? Edo lineage greeting is the greeting that we greet in accordance to the lineage into which we were born. Every Edo person was born into a lineage. And in that lineage that his family or her family belongs to. We are many, but we have families. And our families belong to lineages. And the lineage belongs to the tribe or the ethnic group. Ethnicity in Edo is something important and it's good to learn it. So by lineage greetings, you let people know how related to people you are. If you are the same lineage greeting with somebody, you will automatically become relatives. You are now relatives. And if you are relatives, you cannot marry. You cannot marry. Endogamy is not practiced in Edo culture. You have to go outside of your lineage to get married. That is exogamy is what Edo people practice. Exogamy. Go outside of the lineage to marry. You cannot have sex with somebody you greet the same lineage language because you are related. If you have done it by chance or by mistake, You tell your parents about it, they know how to go about it. They will go through some purification rites according to the Edo culture. So today we have Edo lineage greetings, and you will see the one you belong to. If you do not know, you ask your parents, what is our lineage greeting? Your father has a lineage greeting. Your mother may even have a different lineage greeting. But in most cases, women, when they are married to men, their husband greetings become their greeting. Oziza yera or mieni. Okwe wodone. Uku nera no do etwe eyan gibetwe. So pan we if your back. If your back to ku oge egwa. Ogu mokun. Eke gan dirigaje. Ya wodo ya ma wodo. Do what having that time? All right. Now we're going to go down to it. Edo lineage greetings. Uku na twe. Uku na twe. Some people also call it morning salutation. Morning salutations. Why did they call it morning salutation? They call it morning salutation because to the Edo man or woman, Edo person, when you see an elder, somebody who is your elder by age, any time in the day, the first time you have seen the person in the day, you ought to give the person your lineage greeting. If that's your first time of seeing the person that day, even if it's afternoon. 2, it's morning greeting because when you wake up historically or in the cultural milieu, when you wake up, you are in your morning. You wake up at 10 o'clock, that is your morning. I saw you ukuna travel where ukuna travel where na kin where on my me and the deck bay, like a new yamion or can dig with toy. We have me dig with toy. The second thing I want to say is the Edo lineage greetings is not a greeting that you greet just by word of mouth. No, you greet it symbolically. You greet it symbolically. You go down on your knees to greet the person you want to greet. Because the people you greet on the lineage greeting, they are actually your seniors. Yeah, your seniors. You don't greet a junior person a lineage greeting. You see what I mean? I can't greet my children my lineage greeting. No, they ought to greet me our lineage greeting, as I taught them. So when you greet somebody in the lineage, you go down your knees. Adi gwe tuo ma ne nwan. E no ma no yo ma no e no nwan no adi gwe tuo. O wa di gwe soto. O ai na bi yo no di gwe soto. De ga we ra bi yo wa ti bu egu e kakabo. O bu egu e kakabo no de ga we o di gu ani ene. Ọ̀rọ̀ yóò bòkí wà hàn wẹ̀ bí gbọ́ báyẹ̀ nìkan ọ̀wẹ̀ ẹ̀gẹ́ mẹ̀ bí gbọ́ ẹ̀ gò bòtá ní ẹ̀nà wẹ̀ bí gbọ́ mà nẹ́dọ̀ mà yà dí gbọ́ tó ọ̀wá ọ̀rẹ́ kì bá bọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́ rẹ̀ ẹ̀bẹ̀ mà pa mi wẹ̀ ìwà ní rẹ̀ ẹ̀gbà ọ̀rọ̀ bá ìnùrí London èyí àmì wẹ̀ ẹ̀yẹ̀mí dẹ́dẹ́ èmi náà wọ̀ ẹ̀rẹ́ náà nọ. Hold on, Uga say morning salutation. So I baku where they agbe. Ebena. Einagbe oko nedo twe inagbon yo. Ebena edokpa maki. Ebena ne benoka kina ne wa no. Unweni mata no rebena ase baka. No cow. No wa gbegbo oge ọba nri eye bedo ya fe ọba iyefa no ri eye bedo no ri eri ọba bedo e ha le won kego kiso wa de to se ego ọba no rekete na ọba ewai no kifa ọba atọpẹ ise eri ga ma o ga ma oyo pe on to gie Papa Gilo Boyfo is I came back by another lie, who could do twe. Who could do twe by me, you one and one now. Okay, you boom, one and do I So this book contains these lineage greetings. It's a book worth having. Many important things are in it. Those are one. By that I mean all Edo people in the Edo state and beyond, in Delta state, those in the Republic of Benin, those in Ghana, and wherever in the world, they are one people. Those are one. Most importantly, we do have in this book a list of all the kings that have reigned, the Obas that have reigned in Benin Kingdom, beginning with the Ogisos in the time of creation, up to the present king of Benin, the Oba Ewai. Oba Atokpe is long live the king. After that, we have the lineage greetings, which are 74 in number. So this book is worth having. So you can know, trace it and find your lineage greeting. So thank you for that. I hope you take that to heart. Now let's go to the lineage greetings. I think life with Dr. Have you anything life with Pedeva? I could not wearing mana nedo. The first and foremost is the greetings from the Ogiso dynasty. Greetings from Ogiso dynasty. That is the first dynasty of the Edo people. Ogiso dynasty. Okay? According to Edo creation story, Ogiso was one of the 7 men created by God in the days when there was nothing on this earth. It was all like water and darkness. It is found in Genesis chapter 1, verse 2. The earth was without void. It was full of water and darkness. That is what we call in biblical theology the Tohu Wabohu. Tohu Wabohu. The earth was without void. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Bereshit, Amar Adonai, Bashamayim Wu Haares. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Bereshit, Amar Adonai, Bashamayim Wu Haares. And the earth was without void. That is the Tohu Wabohu, full of water and darkness. Again, you sana boya having here no cow. No, what I want to Ogiso, Opa Uyanaga Ogiso, on your Ogiso, no Eredo. No, you Ugugon wound that all. Nekena Ladian, the whole place was full of water. But every man was asked to choose what he liked. And each one chose what he liked. Some chose fine art, some chose technology, some chose trades, some chose governance, and so on. Ogiso, he chose a snail shell. There was a snail shell upon the water. And Ogiso chose that snail shell. And when he turned the snail shell upside down, sand came out of the snail shell. And he poured upon the water, and land came out. The water abated, the water pushed aside. Land came out, and he stood on top of the ground. The ground, and all the other gentlemen also stood on the ground. That is why the Edo people say their creation story is very close to that of the Hebrew Bible. That is why the Edo people say Oba of Benin is the owner of the land from Benin Kingdom to the first world. Eunita Bambana, Ukanokwa no. Ogiso oerima no cow, then oedu no cow, Egarusana Buagmona. Busa Buagmona, Ebenon White Abimawe, Onawa Mame, Epiepina was so. amame. Osana yaru yiyan. Opa wuwi yiyan ni ona ogiso. Ijado na azevi no yoyi. Eso ze ona. Eso ze ematagwa. Eso ze arioba bene agba oge bo he. Eso ze na ya adu ki he. Wana mi e ki wa guyan bo. Ematagwa guyan bo. Ogiso ona riye ugungo na ara hu ameni ona gbegbere hu ameni. Ogiso na ri ugungo ni ona ha hu dato. Ori ha hu dato ekena ladia. Ekena to hu ame. Oto ni maye na wa ladia. Ame yo see you. Ame see you. Oto ladia. Yen vi owe yo to. Yen ni ka na vi owe yo to ni yen vi owe yi. Eyi ma ne do na ta we. Oba nya to kedo ya sewebo. Runda egedo kaodi no giso ya di owe yo to. Ugungo ni e kenike ladia. Oba atok pe ise duwa on kada ni a wa ya ti e be ni baba gben e baba eri ma no mo no ba e dia wa e be no gben wa ya ti e bo ku kada oriba. You might want to refer to the book where this story is related. It's related in the book written by our late about the blessed memory of Bae Diawa. Go and read that book, you will see the story there. Ogiso is number one on the first dynasty